Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to justify text in Canva. Justifying text aligns cleanly on both the left and right edges of a paragraph, giving your layouts a neat editorial finish. It's a great choice for multi-line body copy in brochures, reports, and portfolios. And it's especially useful for creating a polished look on websites, blogs, and product descriptions for your Shopify store. Justifying text not only improves the appearance, but also enhances readability, making it a perfect fit for professional, high-quality designs. I'll show you how to apply justification quickly and how to keep it looking smooth and readable. Start by opening your design in Canva so your project is visible on the canvas. Click the text element you want to modify. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around the text and the top toolbar update with text options. If you don't see the text controls, click once more on the text to make sure it's actively selected. This is an important step because sometimes the text box may appear to be selected, but if the controls aren't visible, you won't be able to edit the alignment. Now, look up to the top toolbar for the alignment icon. It looks like a small stack of horizontal lines. This icon cycles through the available alignment modes. Every time you click it, the typical order is left, then center, then right, and finally, justify. Click the icon repeatedly until you see the justify symbol, which looks like a set of evenly spaced lines. The lines in the icon will appear equal in length, and when you click on Justify, your paragraph will expand so both edges align, creating that straight left and right margin. This is what gives your design a clean, professional look. A quick note, justification works best with multiple lines of text. If your text is only a single short line, you may not notice a change, and that's completely normal. For longer paragraphs or multi-line text, the effect of justified text will be immediately visible. Justifying text is ideal for larger blocks of text like product descriptions, blog posts, or newsletters. Basically, any situation where you want a tidy, polished layout that flows smoothly. If the spacing between words looks too wide or a bit awkward after justifying, refine the look with two simple adjustments. First, try widening the text box. With the text still selected, drag the side handles of the bounding box outward to give the words more room. A wider box allows Canva to distribute spacing more naturally, making the text look more even and aesthetically pleasing. For Shopify store owners, this is especially helpful when formatting product descriptions or long paragraphs of text that need to be readable and well organized. Second, consider slightly reducing the font size. A small reduction can tighten the overall fit without changing your design's hierarchy. The key here is balance. By slightly adjusting the size, you ensure the text doesn't look too cramped, but it still maintains readability. Make minor tweaks, then glance back at the paragraph. Your goal is a balanced flow with even edges and comfortable word spacing. This is crucial for maintaining a professional appearance, whether it's for your Shopify product pages or marketing materials. Once you're happy with the adjustments, you're done. Your text is now justified, giving your design a clean, professional finish while remaining easy to read. The justification technique works wonders in creating structured, polished layouts. And if you ever change your mind, just click the alignment icon again to cycle back to left, center, or right alignment. Canva gives you full flexibility to adjust the alignment based on the design needs and space you're working with. That's all you need to justify text in Canva. It's a simple but powerful tool that will elevate your design and make your content stand out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks, especially if you're looking to create stunning, professional designs for your Shopify store.